Bula. Thank you so much for the beautiful song. It really filled my heart. And it's a reminder of our partnership, Vuvame partnership. We see Fiji as family in Australia, and we thank you for your friendship and partnership. We have only recently come to government. Guess how many days of being a minister I've had? 5. 4? 5. No, today's 5. Today's 5th day. So I came to Fiji for my first bilateral visit as Foreign Minister. And I hope that demonstrates to you how importantly we see our partnership. Labor, in terms of the Pacific Labour schemes, it didn't take very long for you to tell me what we need to do. So this is a good thing. We understand how important access to our labour market is for Fijians and for the region. And we want to strengthen that access. We want to give people more opportunities. And we want to make sure people are treated well when they are in Australia, because it isn't acceptable that people are not. We know that for many Fijians and many Pacific Island nations, access to the Australian labour market is important economically and important for skills people get. It's also important for us. I met some men downstairs who had been picking citrus in my state, in South Australia. So I've probably eaten the oranges they picked. Our new government has new policies for Pacific Labour schemes, which will take us a bit of time.